This right here is our beautiful looking street that's been covered with snow and ice. Adam at the moment is trying to take photographs of it, which may or may not be working. But man, I don't know how much you guys can all see, but this is gorgeous. I feel like it looks like a set on Hollywood. You like it out here, honey?
It's nice. Yeah. It's nice to have the snow and the sunshine instead of the snow and the gray. The endless, gloomy gray. This is actually really, really pretty.
It's a Merry Christmas Eve, right, honey?
Yeah. Merry Christmas Eve.
Yay! Prettiness and gorgeous, shiny stuff. I'm squinting my eyes because that sun is so extreme.
It's really bright.
But Merry Christmas, you guys. Hope everything is awesome for you this weekend. Bye-bye.
Bye.